Have you ever been curious about the remarkable world within our bodies? It's an expansive network of nerves that transmit messages from our brain to every cell, tissue, and organ. These nerves act as a personal highway, delivering crucial commands. However, what happens when this intricate system becomes damaged? In today's video, we discover the top 6 foods that can repair and prevent nerve damage, protect your body's neurological pathways. Number 1. Salmon and tuna. Let's kick off list with 2 heavyweights in the seafood realm, salmon and tuna. Not only are these fish incredibly delicious, but they are also nutritional powerhouses when it comes to nurturing our nerves. Salmon and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential nutrients known for their anti-inflammatory properties and support of nerve function. These healthy fats play a crucial role in the structure of nerve cells and are vital for their repair and regeneration. Additionally, omega-3s enhance the efficiency of nerve transmissions by improving the fluidity and permeability of nerve cell membranes. Moreover, salmon and tuna are excellent sources of vitamin B12 and vitamin D. Vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining the health of nerve cells and the production of the protective covering of nerves called the myelin sheath. Insufficient intake of B12 can lead to nerve damage, making it a crucial component of our diet. On the other hand, vitamin D regulates calcium and phosphorus, both minerals necessary for healthy nerve function. Aside from promoting nerve health, salmon and tuna packed with high-quality protein, which contributes to muscle health and aids in tissue repair. Their omega-3 content also supports cardiovascular health by reducing blood pressure and lowering the risk of heart disease. They are highly versatile and can be prepared in various ways, such as baking, grilling, adding them to salads, or including them in pasta dishes. Whether you enjoy a hearty salmon steak for dinner or prefer a light tuna salad for lunch, these fish can easily be incorporated into your meals. As for the recommended intake, the American Heart Association suggests consuming 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon and tuna each week. Each serving is typically about 3.5 ounces cooked. By making salmon and tuna a regular part of your diet, you can significantly benefit your nerves and overall health. Number 2. Bell peppers. Bell peppers not only add a visually appealing touch to our meals but are also packed with essential nutrients that significantly contribute to nerve health. Firstly, bell peppers are a treasure trove of vitamin B6, a nutrient that plays a vital role in the production of neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters are messengers that ensure smooth communication between nerve cells. A deficiency in B6 can disrupt the balance of these neurotransmitters, leading to nerve problems. However, the benefits of bell peppers extend beyond B6. They are famously rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that protects all of your cells, including your nerve cells, from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Additionally, vitamin C aids in the production of collagen, a protein that assists in the healing and repair of damaged tissues, including damaged nerves. Bell peppers are low in calories yet high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for weight management diets. Their high antioxidant content also contributes to skin health, enhancing its natural glow and combating signs of aging. Incorporating bell peppers into your diet is delightfully simple due to their versatility. You can enjoy them raw in salads or with a healthy dip, roast them for a deliciously sweet flavor, stuff them with your favorite ingredients for a hearty meal, or sauté them for stir-fries. Whether you prefer red, yellow, or green bell peppers, incorporating them into your diet you're taking towards better nerve health. If you're finding our video informative and engaging, kindly to hit the like button and subscribe to channel to stay updated on our newest videos. Number 3. Eggs. Now, let's move on to another nerve-boosting food in our lineup, eggs. Eggs are one of the best food sources of choline, a vital nutrient that aids in the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter responsible for the speed and efficiency of messages within your nervous system. Insufficient choline can compromise nerve communication, potentially leading to nerve damage. Additionally, eggs are packed with B vitamins, particularly B12 and B9, folate. We've already highlighted the importance of B12 for nerve health, but let's shed some light on folate. This nutrient supports the production and repair of DNA, the genetic material that controls all cell activities, including those in your nerves. Eggs are a powerhouse of high-quality protein, promoting muscle strength, satiety, and aiding in weight loss. Eggs also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that support eye health. The versatility of eggs makes them easy to incorporate into your diet. Enjoy them boiled, scrambled, poached, or baked. They can be a part of your breakfast, a salad topping for lunch, or even an ingredient in a stir-fry or casserole. As for the recommended intake, for most people, consuming up to 7 eggs per week fits within a balanced diet, as stated by the Heart Foundation. So, the next time you crack open an egg, remember the extraordinary benefits it provides for your nerves. Here's to the powerful nutrition packed into these small packages. Number 4. Turkey. Let's shift our focus to turkey, a lean meat option that is no longer limited to Thanksgiving. This powerhouse poultry is not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients that play a vital role in maintaining and improving nerve health. Turkey is particularly rich in an amino acid called tryptophan, which is necessary for the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, sleep, and cognitive function. It's the tryptophan in turkey that gives you that relaxed and content feeling after a satisfying Thanksgiving meal. Turkey is high in protein and low in fat, making it an excellent choice for muscle development and weight management. Furthermore, it contains a good amount of selenium, a potent antioxidant that supports overall cellular health. The flavor and versatility of turkey make it easy to incorporate into various meals. You can roast it whole for a family dinner, grill turkey breast for a healthier burger, use ground turkey in spaghetti sauce or chili, or slice it up for a protein boost in salads or sandwiches. According to the Dietary Guidelines for Americans, the recommended intake of lean meats, including turkey, is about 5 to 6 ounces of protein foods per day for adults. However, individual dietary needs may vary based on factors such as age, gender, activity level, and overall health. So, the next time you enjoy a turkey sandwich or indulge in a turkey roast, remember that you're not just satisfying your taste buds but also fortifying your nerve health. Let's embrace leaner, nerve-boosting protein. Number 5. Avocados. Let's now turn our attention to avocados, a creamy, rich, and incredibly healthy fruit. Known as a superfood, avocados not only please your palate but also offer significant benefits for your nerves. Avocados are an excellent source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects the fatty parts of nerve cells from oxidative stress, which can potentially lead to nerve damage. Additionally, avocados are high in healthy monounsaturated fats that can enhance the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that aids memory and learning. Furthermore, these healthy fats contribute to maintaining the structure and function of brain cells, including neurons. Avocados are high in fiber, which promotes weight loss, reduces blood sugar spikes, and supports gut health. The monounsaturated fats in avocados can also help lower bad cholesterol levels, benefiting heart health. Avocados can be incorporated into your diet in various ways. You can slice them up for salads, mash them for healthy toast spreads, blend them into smoothies for added creaminess, or even use them as a base for healthier versions of desserts like ice cream or pudding. Although there isn't a specific guideline for avocado consumption, having about half an avocado or approximately 50 grams per day is a good amount for most people as part of a balanced diet. Let's celebrate the creamy and nutritious goodness of avocados and acknowledge the power they possess to nourish and protect our nerves. With their many benefits, avocados stand as our 5th nerve superfood. Number 6. Broccoli. Let's now shift our focus to broccoli, a vibrant vegetable that is nothing short of a nutritional powerhouse. Broccoli is abundant in antioxidants, such as vitamin C and flavonoids, which provide robust defense against harmful free radicals, safeguarding nerve cells from oxidative damage. Additionally, it contains a substantial amount of vitamin K, which plays a critical role in brain health and synaptic functioning, supporting efficient communication between nerve cells. Another notable compound found in broccoli is sulforaphane, a potent antioxidant that studies suggest possesses neuroprotective properties, potentially shielding nerve cells from damage and promoting optimal nerve function. Moreover, it serves as a good source of vitamin C for immune function and vitamin K for bone health. There are numerous delicious ways to incorporate broccoli into your diet. You can enjoy it steamed, roasted, or sautéed, toss it into stir-fries, incorporate it into soups, or even savor it raw in salads. With its green, crunchy nature and abundance of goodness, broccoli proudly stands as our sixth nerve superfood. If you found this video informative and engaging, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more useful content. Thank you for watching this video.